Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated steering wheel, rear view camera, blind spot monitor. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Lexus RC. The Lexus RC is engineered from the asphalt up. The entirely new coupe body style is designed to ignite your passion for performance. Get performance on demand and experience the thrill of virtually instant upshifts at your fingertips and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.